Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you're new. You know what to do. So y'all seen it. Y'all seen it when y'all know what we doing here, baby. Y'all know why we here. All right. We finna get into this Pink Friday 2 expired look. Okay. I said, baby, I'm waking up. Pink Friday dropping, and I'm getting this video out on Pink Friday, okay? Because yeah, happy birthday to Nicki Minaj. Y'all know that's one of my top favorite artists in the world of all freaking time, because like she's the best, okay? And I absolutely love that album. I was listening to the album at like 4 in the morning because my butt fell asleep when it first dropped at 12 midnight. But you know, your girl got up early in the morning, said her prayers, did her word, got in her Bible, and went right on to the good old gospel. All right, and got right up in that thing with the Nicki Minaj Pink Friday 2 album. If y'all ain't heard that, why y'all, what you doing? What you waiting on? Yeah, the girl really got in her bag. Like, the girl was preaching the gospel, and then she ended the song with a gospel song. She ended the album with a gospel song, y'all. She had Tasha on there. I just said, this whole album is so freaking fire. Like, it's really no comparison when it comes to her. Like, I can't even make this up, okay? Now, we're gonna get into this look, though. I did a lot of different pinks. I did a lot of different palettes. I mean, I could drop them in the comments. I mean, the description box. I can drop it down, the palettes that I use. But I used about 5 palettes that's going back and forth with all these different pinks that I had. I was gonna do glitter, but then I was like, I don't feel like all it, because, it's like 4 in the morning. And I don't feel like doing all that right now. I just want to get in here, do my thing, get up out of that thing. All right. And then I just like the way the look came together anyway, because, yeah, your girl have not done like a color look in a while. And also I have not done a cut crease, dramatic lash, sharp brow to the black bone of your girl has not done it in a while. So I said, Nicki Minaj, Pink Friday, pink look, dramatic, sharp wing liner, why not? Okay, so that's what you see your girl up here doing right now. I'm getting into some things, and we listen to the album, so we doing a little quick one too. Y'all already know. So yeah, I also will be dropping like a mini snippet of this, like I always do on my other social platforms. So y'all see it scrolling across the screen, popping up on the screen. Make sure you go ahead and check out those as well. Also, you guys, me and my kids did drop a coloring book, and I will leave it in the description box for you guys who want to buy one for your kids, your child, or just yourself if you're a person that like the color, because I'm a person that love art. I like the color, which is one reason why I fell in love with makeup and design, because I love to create. Okay, and another thing that you guys might want to know about me, if you don't already know, I love to draw, I love art, I love to color. That's my thing. Okay, so yeah, got into these things and all of these things. And also, you guys, my kids love to do it as well. I know kids like, they like to do that kind of stuff, but in real life, I have like one of my kids that really, really loves to color and obsessed with like drawing and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, I love it. But yeah, I'm getting into this NARS foundation, you guys, and this is like one of my favorite foundations to use when the weather is getting cold, because my skin started to like lighten up a bit from like summer, and this, it started to lighten up, and then the texture of my skin, it just starts to get a little different as well. So I just go ahead and use this. This is like one of my favorites. I also like the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation as well. And then I'm going to be using CeraVe concealers, baby. We're contouring with the LA Girl Pro in the shade Mahogany, and then I use Tarte in the shade Tan Sand. I also use Fenty. I forgot what color I am. It could be 12 or I don't remember. But also, you guys, I will be using the NARS concealer. So I've used several different ones today to get this look popping and just get this face looking snatched, because your girl gotta really be working out after these holidays. Like, the holidays has really been having your girl eating. And then one thing about the holidays, around the holidays, I wouldn't say it's like stress eating, but I don't know. It could be, could not be. I don't know, because I feel pretty content. I feel pretty happy or whatever like that. And then, yeah. But I will say this. That popcorn, baby. Popcorn around the holidays be having your girl in a chokehold. Like, I don't know what be wrong. I don't know what be going on, okay? But I like the caramel popcorn, the cheddar popcorn, the flaming hot popcorn. But I like both of the flaming hot popcorns that they be having out here. You know, the Chester brand, whatever brand they be making. I like both of those, but I like the more of the soft. Like, it don't be having the kernels, you know, all that. It's just like a soft popcorn. But I do like the popcorn with the kernels as well, y'all. Like, so freaking good. But yeah, popcorn be having your girl in a chokehold around this time. And I feel like that's why I've been putting my weight on. But also, I have been in the kitchen, okay? Your girl been in the kitchen for real. So if y'all ain't noticed, yeah, go ahead and check out the Daily Cook Vault. And you're going to definitely see your girl up in the kitchen. All right. So your girl been trying out the new recipes. But I do have something really, really coming new for the new year. Because your girl going to have that body snatched for that 30th, baby. The body going to be snatched. Everything going to be snatched and intact. So don't play with it. Now, my face, I feel like when I eat, the weight does catch up, you know, on the body or whatever. But for the most part, I feel like it's gonna eat up my face first. Like, I feel like my face get a little chubby first. But then also, around that time of the month, TMI, around that time of the month, your girl face do kind of look a little chunky too. And it's almost that time of the month. Like, next week is like that time. Okay, so yeah, that could be the reason as well. But also, your girl just ain't never really had like a slim face either. Your girl always had like some little chubby cheeks. I could see it in my kids. They got it too. So yeah, either way it go, we getting this face snatched and together on this good Pink Friday, baby. Now, I have several songs on it. Like, that album, you could play that mug with no skips. And I'm not even kidding. You could play it with no skips, okay? Now, y'all might be like, oh, she already put this out. We already heard Super Freaky Girl, Barbie World, whatever. But you can literally line that up. The way she got it lined up, you can play that mug with no skips. You know what I'm saying? Unless you want to skip the songs you already didn't hear. Baby, you don't even want to do that. You just want to hear the whole thing play on through. Like, she ate it up quick. And I just was like, Nikki, you know what I'm saying? Too many songs that you like, for real. But if I was like being straight honest, like my favorite top 3 songs, I would have to say is, I like that song with her and Lil Uzi, but that's not my top number 1. I feel like my number 1 song would either be My Life or it would be Barbie Dangerous. It would be Barbie Dangerous or My Life, and then it'd be like that Uzi Vert song with her. And then, I love that J. Cole song with her. Y'all, the whole album is, okay? I like that Drake song with her. Oh, I forgot. I like that Lil Wayne song with her. Y'all, she cut up. And I just cannot be even more proud of my good sis. She did this one for us, baby. This for us. I love it. I also like that Cowgirl song. Like, it's just too many to name. Like, I just love. Like, Nikki, she get on there. I love when she do her thing. She pops her stuff. She do her stuff. It just make your girl get in her mood to pop her stuff even more. Because I said, what? And y'all see me dancing the whole video. That's because this album, it's just like, what is going on? And I had to keep pausing. I'm like, did she say what? She said, wait a minute. Bars after bars. But so freaking good. I can't even make this up. So freaking good. Okay. But yeah. Love this. Love the look. Love the album. And you guys, I hope you guys love this video. So this is the complete look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You know what I'm saying? Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. Okay? And follow your girls on other platforms. Okay? See what your girl be up to. See what she got going on. All of that. You know. Get into some things. See y'all in the next